Hey everyone, so something came in today in my office and it's from Singapore. It's from a good friend. I kinda wanted to share what I got. It's not much, but it's from friends from Singapore and all that good stuff. Yeah, excuse the nails because I'm not gonna bother to fix that. So another thing is that I've actually opened the box in my office because my office mates like to pry on what I get and they always want me to open stuff for them real quick. So yeah, that happened. But yeah, I'm gonna show you what I got and it's really nice.
Let me show you. So,
when you open the box, it's pretty sick. This is the first time I've seen a bubble wrap like this big. Like, wow. She was gonna give me a gift. I don't know if you can guess already. And she included some stuff from a friend of ours. And let's lift it up. Okay, even if I've seen all of this hours ago, I'm still really giddy and happy, and I didn't bother try to go through everything. But yeah.
I'm gonna start with the main event. I mean, like the main thing that was supposed to be sent to me. But yeah.
It's a BT21 merchandise. It's the tumbler.
What's this? Have a nice day. That's cute.
It's this tumbler. It comes in set. I actually asked her to buy the set so I could buy this one. She got the whole set and she told me it's my birthday gift. I got Koya because Namjoon is my bias and I just really like Koya. I like the straw. It's bendy. It's not like very thin material. It's actually really good.
And I'm gonna use this at my office, and I'm gonna show Koya around.
This thing comes with a little toy. Huh? It's pretty. I wasn't expecting it to be this big, and it weighs a bit because it has stamp under here.
I don't know. Can you see it? Yeah.
It has a blue stamp here for Koya's little facey. And fun part is you can stick this here if you want. This part actually lights up. Yeah, that cool stuff. But yeah, you can open this and the baby, it will stand over here with this two legs.
Oh, it's so cute, like purple nose. And it's so cute. A BT21 made in China.
Just press it there, and this is the battery place thing. You turn it on here, but it doesn't have battery, so it won't light up right now. It's pretty cute. It's a toy, stationary stuff, tumbler, everything. I love it. My first BT21 thing. Thank you so much. I really like it. I'm not even kidding. I'm so happy. I'm gonna bring this to work tomorrow.
Box. I haven't showed you the box. And I don't read Korean. I don't know if you read Korean. But yeah, 9 friends. It has a sticker here. Chidoo. CJV.
Isn't that V's like nickname? But yeah. Let's move it over here. And she gave me pretty pins. Epipani for Jin's and Euphoria for Jungkook. I want to use it. Maybe I'll put it in my violin. Oh, these ones are really cute. Love it. Thank you. A friend of ours, she's an organizer of an event. It was the GAT7 5th anniversary. I think it was a cafe thing.
So this is like you put it on your sippy cup. I'm so sorry. And it wraps around the cup like so. So pretty.
But I'm not gonna do it like that because I don't want to ruin my precious. I can show it better. Yep. Yeah. Why? The colors are so pretty. She also got me some cards, photo cards. This is actually these are official cards. Well, at least this one, I'm pretty sure this one is.
Yeah, it reminds me. This reminds me I have an unboxing that I haven't edited. Still, I'm so sorry about that. I'm such a bad person.
But yeah, this one, I'm pretty sure it came from that one. From Isa New. I really like the concept of this one and like the style, the aesthetics. And then there's Jackson. It's just really pretty. And can you see that? And then we have Jinyoung. It's like so pretty too. And then they also gave this transparent photo card. I want to take this with me. Maybe I'll put it in my wallet. Okay. I'm pretty sure this cards aren't official because you usually get like this one. This one is I get 7 Singapore. Wow, just wow.
Happy 5th anniversary!
I'm so precious. They're so precious. Ah. And then we got Mark here. Can't even eyes on you. Like, I'm really happy I'm getting all of this stuff. So I already have this one, but I'll open it for everybody to see. The cool part about this is that you have this little stand thing here, and you get to switch out the photos, whichever you want to display. Wait, let me show you properly. So this is a pretty present. I got this poster actually. It's one. It's so pretty. Boom. Like, how do you guys have the thin tummies? Can't relate.
Wow. Wait. Hold it.
I think I don't have this set of cards, so I'm gonna show you still. Hey. This is just so aesthetic. I want to display it maybe at my office. I don't know. Jackson. The babies. And these are like postcards. You can send out to friends if you're into that, but not me. Oh, baby. Oh, baby's really displaying his full lips. So yes, baby. Yes. So yeah, you get to choose whatever you want to display. So you get to put it over here. These people are very generous because this is like official stuff. Thank you so much. Like, really. And then we got some more fun items. Wait. It's for fun made items and like a cheering banner. Happy 5th anniversary. This will always stay by your side. I got 7 side. Yeah. This is true. And I love our color. It's really pretty. See when? And the last thing in my little package. It's got 7 miracle calendar. And open this too. Oh, is this wax paper? I don't know the material, but like, wait.
Oh no! What?
This is like actual merch. I am present you and me edition. Okay, now I understand why I haven't seen this one, because I haven't got the album and I was so broke. I get it now. So yeah, thank you. I got, wow, thank you. Let's get it out so you can see this one better without that. There you go.
This is an actual official stuff. What is happening? Thank you so much, you guys, for sending me this. Wow.
It comes with these pretty stickers, which I am gonna use, and each of the day will be represented by that. I'm gonna use this, actually use it, because I do bullet journaling now, and this is just so perfect. But it comes perfect with this too. So this is the calendar, and apparently I can't use this one because it's December, but I love the photo. And I might butcher this. Nothing at the back, but this is just so nice to keep. And there's the JB reminder birthday. Congratulations, I got 7th anniversary. That's why we have that one. And then this is one more key. And then another reminder for Jackson's birthday. And then Junior. And Bam birthday, and kind of funny that they even put his face there, but I think we're going according to age. And this is Bam Bam. He's so pretty. He should model more. Hey, it's so pretty. And this pretty thing. And we get dates again, birthdays. Yay. No way to forget anymore. This is so pretty, this is so pretty. This is like great quality. And if you're gonna use this one, the stickers, they're like best sized. And then, if y'all haven't seen their new music video, like this unit, you better see it. It's so pretty. Wait, I missed something. Yeah, I did. And it's the birthday. Oh, I thought this was unofficial, and then, thank you so much. Like, I'm really happy right now. That explains why it was so pretty. Like, the packaging was so good. And, yeah, this is a whole stuff. Let me try to show you everything. Thank you so much. I'm really happy. It serves my BTS and my GOT7 feels. It's so good, and I'm having a bad day, and this is my bad day. I can express myself more, and I'm just really so happy right now. Thank you. Yeah, and everybody who stick to the end, thank you so much. I unboxed something, not so much, but I did. Again.
Yeah, so I'm sorry if I'm not giving other contents, but this is all I have right now, and it's just really late. Yeah, okay, bye-bye. I'm filming really late. Anyway,
bye. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel because I post videos when I have time. Click the bell icon so you won't miss a post. So yeah, that's all for now, and I'll promise to fix my nails soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.